the same thing, you crank counterclockwise. Put down, it's coming down.
Oh, nice.
Stand all the way. Because some people just crank a couple times and then you can get the tire out because you need to give it enough slack. So you twist it all the way out. Even when the tire's already on the ground, but you keep going because you want to be able to do this.
Yeah, you can see the cord under there.
Out here. You don't want to be laying under the car and, you know, struggling. You pull it all the way out, put the latch to the tire.
Awesome.
Get your spare.
I like that one. You run it back up?
Put this thing back on.
Real too. Wow. Yeah. You'll see it slowly go back up. And you should put it back away in the box now.